Hi friends, in this video we're going to be see how you can build your customer value profile, and there is a pros and cons even though then we have going to be clarified these two things why you want to build your customer value profile, and number two why you don't want to build your customer avatar. Like first of all I'm going to take this number 2 points why you don't need to have customer avatar, why don't need to build that. And for the clarity purposes, customer avatar is not going to be adding value to your customer. It doesn't make sense. And even though it's been the biggest things in online gurus will teach you build your customer avatar, it's not something going to be so much interesting, and it's not so much going to be straightforward. And I want you to be instead build this customer value profile, CVP. Build your CVP first. That's where is this goal is. And what is in customer value profile? It's something what your customer values. Who are they? What valuable things they might be getting. Instead of, for example, like for this valuable things like they are entrepreneur, they want to grow their businesses, they are going to be so much successful, they tech savvy, they want to scale their businesses. These kind of valuable things in their mind, and they value it, and this is what we need to be exactly targeting. It might be goes on who is they want to be. If someone's, if I'm selling a course, like if I'm going to be selling an SEO course, is who is my target audience? Is my target audience looks like who is going to be in, tech savvy, like who are tech savvy, who want to scale their businesses, who want to scale their e-commerce brands, and who want to rank on first positions. And this might of valuable things who might be having their head. That's why this is not a head, this is a valuable thing. That's exactly what I'm looking for. This is what I want to target him, and I want to value. Instead I want to target the value. The targeting might be my target market and target customers. And for this building these things, I want there is a step-by-step process you can follow, and you can craft your customer value profile. For the number one step, you need to do list out all your customer values. Like you don't need to be think about it might something like it's been difficult to come up with, just because write it down or like in a big list. Something like I've been saying, for example purposes, like in my case I'm taking in a paleo diet bar, and for paleo diet bar you might be thinking what values the customer values. Exactly, they want to be healthy, they want to be in athletic performance, they want to be in shape, they love freedom, they want to be in a shape, they want to like fitness freaks, they love some things like they want to be breathe, they want to be something valuable things, they want to be play good games, they want to be healthier. This kind of things you might be don't want to be crafting this and building a big list of things. It might varies from industries to industries. You need to know what the values your customers going to be value. For another things like for SEO, crafting, targeting like tech savvy people who want to make money, who want to double like scale their business, who want to do SEO for their businesses. This kind of things are will be valuable things. And after that, completing the step one is like you need to build a big list of valuable things. Step two, you need to be filter this out, and what the 4-5 values that replicates everything, and means you need to come up with most valuable thing in this big list. That's for paleo diet bar. I might be filtering these things called number one things called healthier. They want to be in shape. They love freedom, and this kind of things I might be coming up with 4 to 5 things. 5 to 5 things. They want to fitness freaks, kind of things, athletic performance. I agree with that. Even if you have number 1 to number 2, like you might have filtering. There is some filtration process. Even if I already said, if I teach some things to be filtered, it's not going to be work for you if you're in different things. And you might be come up with most related, most among your customers going to be using it. First of all, go and find it out. That's what the sweet spot here. And if you have been find out these 4 or 5 things. And step 3 is you need to actually come up with the statements. And I give you the 3 statements. It's been pre-built over. You just need to be fulfill the gaps. Number 1 statement is my target customer is dash. You need to fulfill this what's most related to. My target customer is like high level overview. My target customer is fitness freaks for paleo diet. My target customer is fitness freaks and affluence, I can surely say. You will be fulfill the gap here. My target customer is Dash. My target customer is tech savvy. My target customer is looking to scale their business. My target customer is Dash. My target customer is able to fulfill whatever value you crafted in the number step two. Number two statement is like you might be have some level of helping them to bridge the gap, right? What are the you selling? What are the expected results they are going to give them? For the clarity purpose, the number two statements, where are they versus where they want to be, like where are they, where they want to be. Something like an examples. My target for value, right? Who am I targeting is like my target customer is really struggling to find snacks, like value snacks. Then where they want to be is like they want to be find this perfect snacks, and then they want to be in a fitness fix, and they want to be achieve that goal. There isn't a bridge, right? There isn't a gap between both of those things. Like some things where they are now, where they want to be, the end results, and there is a gap. That the gap is you are fulfilling, right? You are fulfilling the gap and then making it feel so much clarity. That's where you might be advertising. Where are they versus where they want to be, and might be versus kind of things. This versus this, the end results you need to be having clarity. Number three statement: they viewing your service, how they viewing your product means to get where they want to be. Like I already said, there is a gap between both results and where they want to be. Then how they are viewing it, that's having when you need to write down first. And they view bars as one way to eat paleo on go. Like how they are viewing your services. For paleo diet bar, I actually said it. They view paleo bar is number one solution for to stay dieted, is to stay on the diet, and they're moving outside, they're going traveling. If there isn't one solution for it, they view as paleo diet bar isn't one solution to if they are traveling to follow the diet. Hopefully it's everything's making sense for you. It might take some time to understand this process, rewatch it again and again. That's where you might be hopefully going to figure out. Don't build that customer avatars, build customer value profiles. That's where the goal is. First of all, first step is I'm going to be for a quick reminder, like for a quick recap. I want to be telling you first step one is like write down list of customer values, and step two 4 to 5 among the list, like what most related to your audience. Number three, you need to be write out the statements, and the number one statement is like my target customer is Dash, and number two statement is like where they are now versus where they want to be. Number three, how they view your product service as a means to get, how they view your product service as to get where I want to be. And if you have writing down, and hope you will be enjoying this video. If you have any doubts, if you want any further help, I want to help your personalized companies. I want to exactly help you to build this out and to grow your agency. We are running in a small agency, and if you want help without, DM me as well on Instagram and Marketing Mohan. You might be go find out my profile. I will giving the link below and apply for my agency. We have a bit and we will deliver the work for you, and we will do the work for you. If any have doubts, then comment below and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Hopefully, I will see you in my next video. Tata, bye bye.